Attaching work to Google Classroom, presented by iTeens. Instructions. Please read the steps carefully. Please pay attention to the red arrows and boxes for more clarification. We will first provide a step-by-step presentation on how to accomplish this task. You can skip to this timestamp in the video if you would like to watch a live demonstration.
Step 1. How do I attach work to Google Classroom? Select the assignment on Google Classroom you would like to submit work for. If done correctly, your screen should look like this.
Step 2. You can submit your work in the location that is labeled Your Work in the upper right-hand corner.
Click plus Add or Create to attach documents like a PDF or a Google Doc. You can add a file from your drive, a link, or a file straight from your device.
When you are done attaching the work, click Mark as Done to submit it to your teacher or administrator. Now we will demonstrate the steps.
Classroom.google.com into your browser. Go to the top right-hand corner and press the plus button, then Join Class button. Enter the class code that you've received from your teacher. Now that you have joined a class, you'll be taken to the stream. The stream is where you can see everything that has happened, like the assignments teachers assign, the comments students leave, or the links and announcements teachers publish. There are different places to see different things. For example, if you only want to see the assignments you have, click in the Classwork tab at the top of the screen, next to the Stream button. Again, unlike your stream, the Classwork tab will only show you what you've been assigned. You can also see who else has joined the Google class by looking in the People tab. If you aren't sure what assignments you've been assigned or are not sure when they are due, go to the Stream tab and look at the left-hand side to see your upcoming work. If you have any questions for your teacher, an alternative to emailing them is by going to the assignment you have a question about and typing in your question in the private section under where you would turn in your work. They will be notified that you left a comment there and they'll respond as soon as they can. If you need to access any work that you have ever turned in for that class, go to the Classwork tab and click the Class Drive folder. This will take you to your class's Google Drive at the top of your classroom. Select View Your Work towards the top of the screen. Select Missing on the Menu tab at the right side of your screen. Your missing assignments will appear here. Classroom you would like to submit work for. If done correctly, your screen should look something like this. You can submit your work in the location that is labeled Your Work in the upper right-hand corner. Click the plus Add or Create button to attach documents like PDFs or Google Docs. When you are done attaching your work, click the Mark as Done button to submit it to your teacher or administrator.